Hi, my name is Alejandro Podaca.
My name is Angélica Santos Nevares.
My name is José Armando Limón Herrera.
My name is Luis Manuel Echeverría Pucheta.
Hello, my name is María de Guadalupe Villalobos Camacho.
Me and my team will talk about the drug ecstasy. Ecstasy? Something like that.
¡Empecemos!
Ecstasy is an empathic drug, which means that it produces some different effects than stimulants, like other drugs that produce pleasure. The main characteristic of empathic drugs is that they generate love and empathy. It is called the love pill because it promotes fictitious relationship when upon reaching the brain. Ecstasy promotes the release of dopamine and noradrenaline, altered perception of space and time, positive mood, visual hallucinations. Some side effects are difficulty concentration, loss of appetite, and dry mouth. Some of the consequences are paranoia, depression, irritability, fatigue, lack of motivation, and withdrawal syndrome, and cause long-term changes in serotonin in the brain.
How does affect the drug to the nervous system? If you consume these drugs, your levels of dopamine will increase, and dopamine enhances your nerve endings. So if you consume these drugs, you will be like more relaxed, more happy, and this is the only good thing about these drugs.
Hello, in the consequence of ecstasy drugs are as follows when taking ecstasy. You may suffer the effect of confusion, which is because of its use and cause you to lose notion of time. Depression is done by alteration in serotonin. Happy these are done as it goes drug and serotonin effect in high amounts in the human body. Anger this occurs because having had high serotonin it reach a low level and this causes you to get angry. It affects body temperature so it can generate hypothermia such as hypothermia. Paranoia can arise from low serotonin levels, probably that as it increases heart rate and this can lead to a heart attack and death.
I will tell you the social consequence that will probably happen if you use ecstasy. The first thing will be that you could lose friends. Okay, you could lose friends. The second consequence is that you lose interest in your hobbies. And the social consequence is that you could lose your job because under the influence of drugs you cannot work. The fourth consequence is that you will start to be more antisocial, and the last social consequence is that you will feel more tired, therefore your performance in any activity you do will decrease.
I will tell you the conclusion of the team. Okay. If we consume ecstasy, it affects us a lot in our body and brings us many negative consequences in our nervous system, as they affect the neurotransmitter serotonin, which handles mood, pain, appetite, and sleep. By affecting this neurotransmitter, can bring in diseases that affect mental and physical health, as depression and anxiety. That also affect our social life, and we stop doing things we used to do before, like going out with our friends. And for this reason, it's not advisable to use drugs.